Question number 5 of exercise 11B, page 295, D27 deletion. The question is the same. We have to find the missing length. The question is giving us a right angle triangle. We have a right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle, angle A, B, and C is given to us, that is 56 degree. The length of side AB is given to us, that is 8.9 meter. And we have been told that this angle A is also a 90 degree and this angle is also a 90 degree, and we are asked to find the length of AH, and the other part is we have to find the length of HC. So this is our side AH and this is our side HC. So we have to find two things, and again we will be using trigonometric ratios because Pythagoras theorem cannot be applied. Pythagoras theorem is only applied when we have two sides and we have to find the third side, but in these cases the data is very limited and we only have one side. Only this, the length of side AB is given to us, that is 8.9 meter. So in order to start the question, the trick is the same which we have discussed in the previous questions, that we have to look for the side and draw that triangle separately, and we will be doing the same in this question. Since we have to find the length of AH, so we will see that this side AH is coming in two triangles, this one and this one. We will not be taking this triangle out because we don't know the sides, but in this triangle we know one side, that is 8.9 meter, and we also know one angle, that is 56 degree. So I will take this angle out and I will draw it over here, which I have done. I have drawn this triangle separately over here. This is triangle AH and B. This angle is given 56 and this length is also given, that is 8.9 meter. And I have to find the length of AH. So I have written a question mark. First I will label my figure and then I will decide which trigonometric ratio should I use. Since this is the angle given, so the side which is opposite to this angle will be the opposite side. So I have written O, and this is the 90-degree angle, so the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is the hypotenuse side. So 8.9 is the dimension of the hypotenuse, and this is the remaining side, and this is labeled as adjacent. Since we have to find the opposite side, that is AH, and hypotenuse is given to us, so we will see that which trigonometric ratio has opposite and hypotenuse. So we know that sine theta is the ratio of opposite and hypotenuse, so we will be using sine theta as the trigonometric function to solve to find the length of AH. We will use sine, and the angle given is 56, so we will write 56 equals to, we know that sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is the AH side, so I will write AH in the numerator, divided by the hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse is 8.9, so I have written 8.9 in the denominator. Since I have to find the value of AH, this 8.9 is being divided on this side. I will shift this on the other side and it will be multiplied with sine 56. And now I will use my calculator to find the value of sine 56 and I will multiply the answer with 8.9. The length of AH is 7.4 centimeter. Moving on to the next part. In the next part, I have to find the value of HC. And again, the trick is the same. I have to find the triangle which has HC. So this is the side HC and this is the triangle. So I have taken out this triangle and I have drawn it over here. This is triangle A, H and C. So this is A, this is H and this is C. And this is the 90-degree angle which has been mentioned in the question. And now I will see whether any length is known to me. I can see that I have just recently found out the value of AH, that is 7.4 centimeter. So I will write 7.4 centimeter as the length of AH, and I have to find HC, so I will write question mark on HC. And since this is the 90-degree angle, so the side opposite to the 90 degree will be the hypotenuse, which I do not know. So I only know one side, that is AH, which is 7.4, and I only know one angle, that is 90. I don't know the other two angles, and since I don't have the angle, so I cannot use any trick over here. I cannot apply trigonometric ratio or Pythagoras theorem to find the length of HC. I have to find an angle. I must know angle C or A. So I will just go back to the figure again and I will see, can I find these two angles or any one of them. And when I closely monitor my figure, I can see that this triangle has two given angles and one is missing. And I know that the interior angles, the sum of an interior angle of a triangle. Interior angles are the angles which are inside the triangle, and a triangle has three interior angles. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. I know that when I will add these three angles, it will add up to 180. And since I have been given with the two values, this is 90 degree, this is 56, so I can add them and just subtract them with 180 to get the value of this angle, this small angle. So I just did exactly that. I added 90 and 56, which is coming out to be 146. And then I subtracted 180, 146. The answer is 34. So I know that this smaller angle is 34. And since it has been mentioned in the question that this complete angle is 90 degree. So since this part is 94, so the remaining part will be 90 minus 34. And 90 minus 34 is basically 56. So the value of this angle is 56, which I find out by analyzing my figure and by discovering the hidden chunks which is given inside the figures. And you have to analyze the figure very carefully in order to find the data. Everything will not be given to you. You just simply have to relate your information, your previous concepts, to derive some information as well. So I have used my previous concept of sum of interior angle to get this angle. Now this is 56, so I can write 56 over here. And now I have the angle, and this is 56, so the side opposite will be the O, and the side which is opposite to the 90 degree will be the hypotenuse, and this will be the adjacent side. Since I have to find the opposite side and adjacent has been given to me, so I will see which trigonometric ratio has opposite and adjacent. So I can see that tan theta is to a opposite upon adjacent, so I will use tan as the trigonometric function to get the value of HC. So tan angle is 56, so tan 56 is equals to opposite side. The opposite side is HC, so I will write HC in the numerator, divided by what is the adjacent side. The length of the adjacent side is 7.4, and I will just now multiply 7.4 with 1056 to get the value of HC. 1056, I can use the calculator, and then I will multiply it with 7.4 to get the value of HC. The value of HC is 10.97 centimeter. So this is the trick of finding out the missing lengths. This is question number 5 of exercise 11B. I hope these type of questions are now clear to you guys. And the trick, remember the trick, that you just have to see the triangle which has the required side in it, and you just have to take it out and draw it separately, and then you have to label it properly, and then identify which strategy, which technique will you be using. Thank you very much.